wrong, Zach.
That makes so much sense. Good one.
Excuse me.
Come on, man. Two at a time. One big one, one small one. What the? One in the hand, one in the hand.
Dude, I'll give you $10 out.
You know
20
how
bucks.
you're doing.
20 bucks.
So do I get paid for being the cameraman?
Videos. Sweet. Alright, so basically all we have left is a couple small ones. Well, we have a whole pack. And some Roman candles. Oh, and some firecrackers, obviously. How many more of those do you have?
Don't record from down there. It makes people look fatter than they really are.
Yeah, so, thanks for that information.
Dude. Earlier, he was like going like this, like.
Yeah, oh my god, it was so big. I was like, what
If
the?
I go like this, it looks like I have attention. I want to watch somebody do one of these.
I'll do it.
I want to do one of them. I'll give you one. One for one. Since mine aren't open yet. So,
Wait, hold on. Wait till he comes over here. Is this going to be on, like, YouTube?
yeah, it's going to be on YouTube. I'm
All
posting
your
it on
other
YouTube.
boyfriends can watch.
Yeah, because I'm so gay. Oh, he's just like, bam.
Wait, like it's a big explosion instead of standing and watching.
Whoa. You wait till I let off a couple, then you get one.
What the? What's that mean? I'm lighting off one of these then.
Dude, take this off.
Alright, so here we go. Let the record show I'm not gay. Just saying that. Alright, so we got a monster. Oh, look at, we got a monster. We got a monster thing. Yeah, doing it because it's freaking beef. You freaking oh, it's on fire! It's on fire! So,
Hey, you know what side you hold these from?
no.
Like this.
Yeah, you want me to do one off?
Here, I'll do one.
Don't shoot him at me.
I don't want to get shot at. Dude, I want the man. Oh shit. Oh, dude, that one went down, bro. Oh.
Hold him
Oh.
I want to do that.
Dude, that's so sweet. Give me one.
No, they're his.
No, I'm gonna give you one.
I want to come out.
That's it.
Open the thing, just kind of it.
I want to do it.
Get two, but
I don't want to light it. I want you to hand it to me.
I'll light it and then I'll give it to you.
Can I do
It's
one?
from this end. It comes out from that end.
Can I do one, Jake?
This end?
From the end that you light it from.
I'll hold it once you light it. I want to make sure.
Yeah,
I don't want it to light on fire.
Oh.
The paper will light on fire. I'm kind of scared. I've never done a firework. Can I do this?
You guys have a war. Do they hurt?
Oh, flaming
They
balls
hurt.
of fire!
Well, yeah, but still, you know, it might not hurt, you know? Yeah. Do.
That's scary.
Achoo.
Oh, this is cool.
Oh. Ooh. Freaking one left. Alright, I'll be right back.
I think
Rachel's gonna take over from here. So, here you go.
Sweet. Might have to go buy more.
So secretly, Zach has this whole YouTube channel that we don't know about.
What is it? PSF plan for something like that?
PSF. Ow! Ow! I just tripped. And he thinks fireworks are super duper cool.
Ooh.
Those ones are getting pretty high. Pretty cool.
Awesome.
Woo woo woo! That's my boyfriend. Look at his booty.
Oh, will I have one of these?
Huh?
Will I have one of these?
Yeah, sure. I can't light him off and record for Zach's little YouTube thing, but
I'll show you how we're gonna do it. Because I'm gotten old, I don't know if they tearing them apart. We just tear out the side of it. Light it, put it out.
why are you going over there, you freak?
Because if I do it over here, watch, I'll show you. The paper just blows up everywhere.
So you light it and then you turn around like you can't watch it.
It doesn't do anything. Dong. Hey, you wanna do one?
Double chin.
You wanna do one?
Sure, I might kill myself, but
Let me light it for you.
no, I'll light it. I'm a badass. Did you forget?
Light it and make sure you get it in there.
That's what she said. I thought I was lighting it. Hold on.
I'm just pointing at your butt the whole time. Nice toss. Damn, that one flew out far.
So I did
See?
the best job.
Look at this. This is what happens in the paper. Oh.
Do not film my ass, you idiot.
Ow. What if I was just like, no, whatever, just bump?
Yeah.
Yeah, here you go.
No, I don't want any more. I'll go to my house so I can dry dyeing my hair. It might be kind of interesting, but I could all try.
You just wait a little while, because I want to wait till dark to get that big one out here. So after dark, we can go.
Oh, you doing it right here? No. Is this still recording? Oh my god, this is stupid. This is stupid. Freak! I kind of retarded. Did you leave it? Okay, it says. Alright, so, I got 2 Roman candles. There. Oh, it's gone. But, whatever. So, I'm gonna launch one of these off then. And I don't know what they're doing over there. They're making out with each other. Set this right here.
Hey, don't use all that. And this all has to be picked up when you're done.
And he's pointing it at the thing. You are a turd.
Point it up.
Yes, they shoot out. Still they shoot.
Since you shall remind, I'll
Big
show you
pants.
yours.
Oh, I didn't show you.
shot my
Huh?
bottle rockets.
You already shot one of mine. Yeah.
Should I get my other ones? I'm gonna wait till it's dark. I'm gonna shoot my big one.
You better have something to save.
I can buy more for 4th of July.
I do get a check. He messed it up.
Really? Good thing you were depending on that.
Make sure you're holding it in a good spot.
Don't punch it straight.
He's like trying to light it, put it in.
Up! Up!
Oh.
Dang, that's loud.
Don't walk backwards.
Sweet.
That's it. That's cool.
That was
Look
sweet.
at the smoke still coming out of that box. Lighting up.